Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the model and saving anything you need. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, make sure the device stays powered and connected to Wi-Fi so the reset can complete. Next, open the Google Home app and locate the Nest Hub. Tap Device Settings to begin the factory reset flow. You're initiating the process now. Don't unplug the unit. This first step ensures the device is ready, and you won't interrupt critical system tasks during the reset. You have two reliable methods. Use the Home app or the physical button sequence. If using the app, follow Device Settings to More and choose Factory Reset, then Confirm. This is the cleanest option when remote. Alternatively, press and hold the back volume buttons for about 10 seconds until you hear the confirmation sound or see the reset animation. Once you start the hardware method, keep holding. Releasing too soon may abort the process. Make sure you follow prompts so the hub fully erases settings. After the reset, you'll wait for the hub to reboot and show the welcome screen. This can take several minutes. Once visible, follow on-screen steps to reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-add the device in the Home app. If something goes wrong, power cycle the hub and repeat the button method, or try the Home app from another phone. Sometimes cached app data blocks the flow. Finally, make sure you remove the device from your Google account if you're giving it away, because cloud links persist beyond reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.